Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this beautiful cup cozy. We're going to use this Sherpa big twist yarn. It's really soft and this is how it looks. And also big twist in red. We are going to be crocheting something very similar to this cozy. It's really cute. You can sell them, you can gift them, or just for personal use. And I think they're adorable. I'm also going to be using my hook. It's a 5.5 millimeter eye. And obviously you're going to need your needle for weaving the ends and a pair of scissors. So let's put this to the side. And I'm going to use my little tool right here. I've gotten used to crocheting with it. It's easier on my hands. And we're going to start right here. We're going to go all the way around with chains. And then we're going to be going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until we finish at the top. Then we're going to come back around with single crochets. We're going to make 3 chains here, come back up with single crochets. Then we're going to make this loop right here for the button, and then we're going to come back around and crochet with the Sherpa. And then we're going to do this button so we can close it like this, and this is the idea. So let's put this to the side and let's get started with the red. With the red, if you want to do black in the middle, I've done that too, and then do a little rectangle right here in yellow, so it makes it look like a belt, so it looks more like a Santa. It's up to you, but today we're just gonna do red, and we're gonna crochet. We're gonna start with about 30 chains, and then we're gonna measure it with a cup to see if that's long enough. Let's measure our cup to see if that's long enough. We're gonna go from the widest part of the cup from one side to the other, and this I still need a few more. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's measure again from this side to the other. You can stretch it just a little bit. I think we're good here because we still have to do the single crochets all the way around this base, so we're good. We're gonna come back with single crochet, so we skip the one first next to the hook, and we start crocheting single crochets all the way to the beginning. 1, 2, we finish with 1 single crochet, and then we are going to turn our work, and we're gonna do crisscross double crochets. And the way you do your first one, you hold it nice and tight here, you insert your hook, pull up a loop, then you pull up another loop, you hold it there, and you're gonna go under both, and then pull up a loop and go to the other 2, and that's your first double crochet. And now we're gonna skip the next one, and on the next one we're gonna do a double crochet, and then we're gonna do another double crochet on the one that we skipped. So it looks like this, like a crisscross, and this is gonna give it some dimension, some depth to the design. So we do the same, skip one, crochet on the next one, and then now you're gonna come back and crochet on the one that you skipped, and we're gonna do this all the way to the end. Skip one, double crochet on the one that you skipped, and that's how it looks. We do this all the way to the end. We're back, And this is how it looks. Really nice, very pretty. And we're just gonna go a regular double crochet on the last one. And let's just measure just to make sure that we're doing this right. So from there to there, so we're good. We turn our work here and we do the same thing. We put it here, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull up another loop and twist it. And then pull up to those 2 loops, and that's our first double crochet. And then we start with the crisscross again. So we skip one and we double crochet on the next, and then we double crochet on the one that we skipped. We skip one, double crochet on the next one, and then we double crochet on the one that we skipped. And we do this again all the way to the end, and we're just gonna do the last double crochet. And we're gonna repeat this again one more time. Double crochet at the beginning, we pull up the loop kind of long, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull up another loop, go under, go under both, and then pull up another loop, and this is your first double crochet. And we're gonna skip the first one, we double crochet on the next, then we come back and double crochet on the one that we skipped, skip the next one, double crochet, come back and double crochet on the one that we skipped. We do it again, skip one, double crochet on the one that we skipped, and we do this all the way to the end. And we do a regular double crochet at the very end. And let's see how big it is. We need one more. Let's do one more. Turn our work, we do the same, hold it, pull up a loop, pull up another loop and go under both, and then pull up a loop and close your double crochet. We're gonna skip the next, and then we're gonna double crochet, come back and double crochet on the one that we skipped, and we're gonna do this all the way to the end. We are at the end now, and we do the last double crochet. And this is how it looks. It's pretty good, because we still have to do the Sherpa here and here, and that's enough. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna work on doing the single crochets here on the sides. Since we did double crochets, we have to do 2 on each, and then when we get to the bottom, we're gonna do 3 chains. Then we're gonna come back to this side, and we're gonna do this loop for the button, and then we're done with this color, with the red. I'm doing 2 on each. And now we are going to join these 2 by doing 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and then we do a single crochet here, and we come back up with single crochets again. So that's how it looks. This is the right side. So chain 1, and I'm going to do single crochet all the way across. In each of these stitches. Let's see how it looks before we start with this loop. I think that looks good. Now we do the loop here for the button, and we're gonna crochet. Let's start with 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We're going to come back, and we are going to slip stitch where we started. Let's see how that looks. I think that's pretty good. Now we're going back down this way with single crochets again. We have here 1, 2, and 3. And come back up. And then we're just gonna finish up right there. Cut our yarn. And we're gonna do the Sherpa one all the way around. So let's start with that. And for this yarn, since you can't see the stitches, you're just gonna go ahead and do single crochets. I'm gonna try to hide the red one too, my ends. And don't do it on every stitch because it's gonna get all flared up like this. So you gotta kind of skip a couple of stitches, and you do a single crochet, skip a couple of stitches, do a single crochet all the way around here. And we're going all the way around. It's gonna look so pretty when we're done. Let's try it. Look how cute that looks. We're gonna come this way, all the way here, and we're gonna come down here and fasten it off. So let's do that. Single crochets all the way. You can skip a few. Just don't make this too tight. And here at the top. Chain one so it can come around. And we're hiding the ends of the red one too. Nice and loose. I'm skipping like every other one, sometimes two. Chain one here too, so we can come around. We're gonna put the loop in the back. Single crochet. And we're back where we started. And we just cut our yarn. Weave this in here. We can weave it at the bottom. And these you're gonna only wash by hand because otherwise it will really mess up this Sherpa. One more time. And then we can cut this one also. We put a button right here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you can get notified when I upload more videos. And in the comments, please let me know what other things you would like me to crochet so you guys can crochet along with me. And I thank you so much for your time, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.